Hi guys! It's been a while since I last did a day in my life vlog. So, welcome back to my life, I think. Sorry, wala pa pala akong makeup. I am about to face my fears. Feeling. I've been putting this off for almost a year now. Ang pagkuha ng aking driver's permit sa LTO. I don't know why. So, nag-theoretical ako ng June 17, 2024. So, mamayang gabi, I have Pilates sa Taft. And pag Wednesday, we don't have face-to-face classes or online classes. Just orgs. So, speaking of org, I have a Zoom meeting pala. Nag-join ako kanina. Nag-leave lang wala ko. Ay! Tapos na ba? We're on our way to SM North na. Let's do a very light makeup. Very light. Tapos makikita niyo full face. Papa-medical na lang ako. And then, babalikan ko yung valid ID ko sa sakyan kasi nakalimutan ko siya. Thank you guys for pushing me. As in, tinatamad kasi talaga ako magpunta dito. Tapos, sabi ng parents ko kahapon na, sige na, tara na bukas. Samahan ka na namin. Thank you. That really pushed me na. Dito umaga, actually, tinatamad pa rin talaga ako bumangon. At muntik na akong hindi magtuloy kasi nga, tinatamad talaga ako. But here we are. Thank you, Lord. After this, just need to allot 2 days for driving lessons. Take 4 hours. And then, driver's license. And then I'm free. Free from this misery. And I can go wherever I want. Kimi. Nalabanan ko na ang aking katamaran. Sakto may A6. Hi! Meron po kayo ng Nova Blast 5? Ayan.
5 po.
Nimbus na. Ganda. Ganda ng Nimbus doon. Pero black na lang available. Sa Nova Blast 5. Pero parang sakto lang naman yan. 9.5. So, ang dapat talaga bibilin ko is Nova Blast. Like, yun talaga yung nirecommend ni Kuya. Nandito na, like, hindi ko gusto yung kulays. Kasi, kulays. Meron na black and then brown, I think. Nag-try ko din yung Nimbus 26 kasi ang ganda ng color. This one. Ang ganda ng color niya. So, trinay ko siya. Tapos, well, mas malambot talaga yung Nova Blast. So, chinek niya kung paano ako maglakad. And then, yung ankles ko daw, pumapasok pa loob pag naglalakad. Hindi daw advisable sa akin yung mga super lambot na shoes. Ang nirecommend sa akin is yung Kayano, which is this. Ayan. Wala akong bet sa colors. In the end, yung Nimbus 26 na lang yung kinuha ko kahit na hindi siya super advisable for my ankles. Kaya pala, dati ko pa na-feel na parang hindi talaga ako stable maglakad. And like, I feel like bilis akong matisod or pala because of my walking. Tatanungin ko mamaya kung ano yung tawag. Basta pumapasok yung ankles ko pag naglalakad. Like, mga ganun siya. Medyo risky siya pag tumatakbo kasi prone ka to twist yung ankles. Pero wag naman sana. I'll just pay. I got it, guys. Thank you for my parents. Hindi naman talaga ang objective ko for today na bumili ng sapatos. Sakto naman nandiyan ang parents. May interview ko pa rin. Fake it till you make it na naman. Fake it till you make it.
6. Isa pa po. Hindi, ako lang.
And eto pa. Dreams High School talaga. What's your favorite? Ako, I'm a so in love girl. May Valmasay. Oh my god. The scent. Classic. Classic.
Para sa akin. Okay, sige nga.
Pinatog.
Sabi ng engineer. Hindi yung basta.
Bye! Okay lang kasi mag-base pa rin naman ako. Wait na lang ako. Mag-base pa rin ako. ASMR. So, I'm low-key scared kasi the last time na nag-pilates ako, which was last week Wednesday din, nag-cramps ako ng malala. Like, kasi 2 nights before that pilates session, tumakbo ako. So, nung nag-pilates ako, super nag-cramps yung ganda naman. Hello, should I get you? Sobrang clear siya, girl.
Guys, let's see how today's workout is gonna be. Medyo late kami. Oh no. Oh no.
Yes, more at the end of your courage. Exhale. Inhale for your slide. Exhale. Your inhale and then straight back here, straight back. And then chin and chest together. Exhale, roll up. Yes. Go. And 2. Chin down. 3. Go down. Yes. Down, down, down all the way. Flat back. Chin towards the ceiling. Okay. When you release, when you go up, chin and chest together, round up. Go on. Push harder. Okay. And then release now. Go exhale up. Go. Lima pa. Go on. Do it. Go. Finish to engage. 4. And then roll up. How are you?
My core can.
Water break.
Yes.
What the hell was that?
Standing back. Let's do some splits.
Oh my gosh, tama na ko siya. Okay. Picture. Lagi tayong spontaneous na takbo with Gia Rakshan. Of course. So, let's stretch. How are you? My calves hurting. By the way, 2 kilometers. With my G. Hindi natatapos sa pagiging estudyante natin. It never ends. My org. Let's go, Gia! Let's go! Run! Malalabat na yung camera pero at least na-reach namin ang 5 km. 5 km within 38 minutes. Yup. Are you proud of us? Watch out for us. 30 minutes. 30 minutes, umanda ka. Kaya. Ikaw mapapagod sa amin, hindi kami mapapagod sa'yo. For that. Teka lang. Anong today? February 26. February 26.
Okay na to.